Hi my dinos! I'm so glad you joined me for another worksheet lesson. I want to tell you something about our Earth. Did you know that the continents are always on the move? About 250 million years ago, all the continents we see today were one big supercontinent called Pangea. They slowly moved ever since to spread out and form continents we see today as in North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. The Pangea wasn't the first supercontinent. 800 million years ago, all the continents were pushed together too. We call this previous supercontinent Rodinia. Okay, dinos, let's get to our worksheet. Are you ready? First, we write our names. What color did you choose to write your name? Oh, I really love that color. Did I tell you how great you are at writing your name? I'm so proud of you. Now, let's read the directions. Color the animal according to the number codes. Let's read it again. Color the animal according to the number codes. So it says 1 is blue, 2 is brown, 3 is yellow. Let's do it one more time. 1 is blue, 2 is brown, 3 is yellow. So, where it says 1, we are going to color it blue. So here are the spots. If you need help, we're going to have Mr. Owl on the right to help color in. Did you know owls are nocturnal? They sleep at night and they're awake in the daytime. Owls are also great hunters. That's why they have claws on their hands to help them catch their prey. Now that we're done with 1, we're going to do 2 brown. So the 2's are right here and we're going to color it brown. You're doing such a great job at following directions, Dino. Here's Mr. Owl to the right to help you with coloring. Now we're going to do 3 yellow. There's one more spot that has a 3, so let's color Mr. Owl's beak yellow. My dinos are doing such a great job. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. Look at your owl, we did it! Great job, dinos. I knew you could do it. There's no doubt in my mind. You guys are the best. I'll see you next week for a brand new episode. Bye!
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!